Hi, this is Tom at MarineMax Kent Island. We're at a boat show today in Baltimore. I'd like to show you a new arrival to our store. It's a 2026 Scout 195 Sport Dorado. Really cool family boat. Swiss Army knife kind of boat. Does a little bit of everything super well. Fishing, cruising, skiing, tubing, whatever you want to do. Let's do a quick walk around of the boat. Coming off the stern, you can see the swim ladder. It's got a powered by 150 horsepower Yamaha. It's got trim tabs. A lot of options on this boat. And then you can start to see this one also has the special option of the tow and center rear seat option. And let's jump on board and show you the rest of the boat. Now that we're inside the new 2026 Scout 195 Sport Dorado, you can see the aft seating arrangement. Easily get 3 folks in the aft near the stern. It's got twin bucket seats here at the helm, port and starboard. Again, this boat is heavily optioned. You can see that it has a Garmin screen, 9-inch Garmin 943 XSV. And it also has trim tabs with the new C-Star controller right here. It's Bluetooth stereo, Yamaha gauges and a compass, of course. And on the port side, you got storage, lockable storage, and a lot more cup holders. Moving up forward, you got these great lounge seats. Really great seating for a boat of this size. See these lounge seats. Super long, super comfortable. And then up in the bow, you still got bow seating with backrest. So you could easily get 6 people on this boat, very comfortably, adults. But just a super fun family boat. Bimini top, keep you out of the sun. It's a very large bimini, in fact. It really gives you a lot of shade. But this boat, it's a great starter boat for a family. It's Scout, it's unsinkable, full of foam in the hull, so unsinkable. It's very powerful with the 150 horsepower engine. It's gonna go almost 50 miles an hour, and again, very easy to tow any kind of tube or any kind of water sports here with this great tow bar. So, love to see you. We're at Kent Island. We're MarineMax Kent Island, near Annapolis, Maryland, on the eastern shore, just over the Bay Bridge. We're here at the Baltimore Boat Show today, and this boat will be heading back to our store on Kent Island after the boat show, and we'd love to have you come over and see it. We'll be at the Bay Bridge Boat Show. We're hosting that at Kent Narrows coming up in a few months, so love to have you come there too, and you'll see this great Scout. Again, I'm Tom at MarineMax Maryland. Love to have you come see this great new Scout 195 Dorado.